Just like the popular saying, a lion cannot give birth to a goat, the saying was established as a fact in Anikulapo, The Rise of Spectre series by the Bashorun character, which was played by Owobo Ogunde, who was appearing in a TV movie for the very first time, after many years in the corporate world of London. Why was he able to play such a complex character? Who is Owobo Ogunde? Owobo Ogunde was born in 1978. He is the youngest son of the iconic Ubat Ogunde, the pioneer of Nigerian theatre. He is from Ijebu-Ososa, Ogun State in Nigeria. He graduated from Igbobi College, Yaba, Lagos, and embarked on his acting journey on the theatrical stage with his father. Owobo Ogunde, who strikes a strong resemblance with his father, shared that he learned storytelling, cultural importance, and hard work from his father. His first acting experience was when he portrayed Oriade Kigbe in his father's production, Aropin Tenia, at Glover Hall in Lagos. However, his acting career was halted after the death of his father in 1990, which he described as a shock and the reason he quit acting to pursue other careers. He currently works in the corporate world in London until he met Kunle Afolayan on a comedy festival in 2023, where he pitched the role of Bashorun to him. According to information made available, Kunle Afolayan told him that he keeps hearing the voice of Ubat Ogunde, telling him to cast him as Bashorun in Anikulapo. Though it was difficult at first because Owobo left acting a long time ago, but he was able to kill the role and the movie was a success.
Kábíyèsí, àjẹ́bìnrin tó fi oògùn rẹ̀ dè í mọ́lẹ̀, á mú, á sì pa sójúde ọjà.
Owobo Ogunde is married to Adetutu Ogunde, a lawyer and human rights activist. Their union has blossomed into a family of four, and they all reside in London. Anikulapo was a successful movie project, and the Bashorun character was integral to the plot of the film. However, it is yet to be known what Owobo's next move will be, but he has promised to maintain the ovation and follow the Ubat Ogunde's legacy.